So, on the issue of residency and immigration, things could change very, very drastically in terms of permits, residence permits, permanent residency certificates, and homeowner permits. So, I would suggest that anybody listening to this call me or call an attorney of their choice and have an explanation given as to what is currently in place in terms of the law, in terms of access and the ability to apply for these permits, and what might be coming down the road. It's quite convoluted and quite complicated, but right now, as the law stands, generally speaking, if you purchase or invest $1 million into either the purchase or the actual construction of a property here, be it condo or villa, land does not count. You cannot get a permanent residence certificate by purchasing just land. So if you invest at least $1 million in the actual construction of a property structure or the purchase of an existing structure, you are permitted to apply for a permanent residence certificate. There is also another residence certificate or resident permit that we call the homeowners permit. The investment for that permit is much lower. It's $300,000. And I'm just talking about Provo now, Providenciales. The threshold for a homeowner's permit is $300,000 in the actual purchase, the actual construction of a property here. Again, land does not count. It must be an existing structure. So those are essentially the two types of permits right now that we have in place. But again, the government is considering a complete overhaul of the immigration ordinance, and thresholds will change and regulations will change. So I preface my remarks by saying, subject to change.